Hello children, it is a great pleasure to meet you through this Max online class. In previous class, we have studied about associative property for the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on various sets of numbers. Yes children, today let us see the continuation of the previous class. Okay, so listen carefully in exercise 1.4, fifth question. Okay children, in exercise 1.4, fifth one, solve both the parts and compare the answers. Are they the same? Okay, here A part and B part, two questions are given. Yes children, A part and B part, two parts are given. Now let us find the value and compare the answers. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of A part. Okay, in A part what is given? Minus 2 plus 5 plus 7. Okay children, so first of all we have to find the value of minus 2 plus 5 plus 7. Okay children, you see here one bracket is there. Yes, that is curly bracket. So always first of all we have to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay, that is BODMAS rule in mathematics. Okay children, bracket இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், bracket குள்ள இருக்கிறது தான் முதல்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். சரியா? Here what is there inside the bracket? Minus 2 plus 5. Okay, minus 2 plus 5. What is the value of minus 2 plus 5? 3. Yes children, you see here, if the integers having opposite sign, one is positive, another is negative. Okay, so that's why we find the difference and put the greater value sign. So minus 2 plus 5 is equal to your answer is 3. Okay, the value is minus 2 plus 5 is equal to your answer is 3 plus 7. So your answer is 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Yes children, so the A part answer is 10. Now we have to solve B part. Okay, B part what is given? Minus 2 plus 5 plus 7. Okay children, so minus 2 plus 5 plus 7. What is the answer of 5 plus 7? 12. Okay, so minus 2 plus 12. How much is your answer? 10. How? This is positive, this is negative. Okay, so if the integers having opposite sign, then we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, so that's why your answer is 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So minus 2 plus 12 is equal to 10. Now you see here two answers. Now you compare. Yes, here two answers are same. Yes children, so therefore A part and B part are equal. Therefore minus 2 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to minus 2 plus 5 plus 7. Okay children, already we have seen in commutative property this type of question. Yes children, so this is very easy only. Okay, now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. And write the heading exercise 1.4. Okay children, all of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date and write the heading exercise 1.4. Okay, don't leave any page, continue your writing. Okay children, then after you write the question, fifth question, solve both the parts and compare the answers. Okay, are they same? In fifth question, first one, A part also given, B part also given. So you write the solution. Okay children, copy it in the classwork note fast. At the same time write neatly. Okay, மேம் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக எழுத சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்படியே கிறுக்கி வச்சிடாத. சரியா? அழகாக எழுது. Write neatly and without mistakes. Okay, plus sign, minus sign. Okay, so more signs are there, so do carefully children. இதே மாதிரியே சம்மு நம்ம காம்பினேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிலையும் படிச்சிருக்கோம் அப்படிதானா. ஸோ வெரி ஈஸி. ஏ பார்ட் பி பார்ட்டோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிச்சி ரெண்டும் சேமா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணுறோம், அவ்வளோதான். Have you finished? Yes? Okay. Now the next question. In fifth question, second one, okay. A part is 5 minus 0 minus 7 and B part 5 minus 0 minus 7. Okay children, first of all we have to find the value of A part, okay. A part what is given? 5 minus 0 minus 7, okay. So first of all we have to find the value of inside the bracket, okay children. What is there inside the bracket? 5 minus 0. So what is the value of 5 minus 0? 5 only, yes. 5 minus 0 is equal to, your answer is 5. So 5 minus 7, okay. 5 minus 7. Now you say 5 minus 7, what is the answer? In subtraction, yes children, the operation is subtraction. While subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted, okay. So 5, we add the additive inverse, okay children. We add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. So minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse, okay. So what is the additive inverse of 7? Minus 7, okay. So your answer is 5 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 2, okay children. You see here the integers are opposite sign, one is positive, one is negative, okay. So that's why we find the difference and put the greater value sign. So here 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, greater value 7, that sign is minus. So your answer is minus 2, okay, clear? Yes. Now we have to find the value of B part, okay. In B part what given? 5 minus 0 minus 7. So 5 minus 0 minus 7 is 5 minus, what is the value of 0 minus 7? Minus 7, yes children. 0 கூட நம்ம எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணாலும் நம்மளுக்கு அதே வேல்யூ தான் ஆன்சரா வரும். So 0 minus 7 equal to, your answer is minus 7, okay. Here also you see here subtraction operation, yes children. So while subtracting on integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted, okay. So that's why 5 minus sign into plus sign, that time you put the additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of minus 7? Plus 7. So your answer is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, okay. Now you see here this is minus 2, here 12. So these both answers are different, yes children. A part answer is minus 2, B part answer is 12. So these are different, okay. So therefore A part is not equal to B part. So A part is what? 5 minus 0 minus 7 is not equal to 5 minus 0 minus 7, okay, clear? Yes. Now write it in the class of note. In fifth question, second one, okay. Do it. In fifth question, second one. Do fast children. Have you finished? Now the next question. In fifth question, third one, okay? Okay, children, listen. The question is, A part is minus 6 minus of minus 3 minus 5. Okay, B part is minus 6 minus curly bracket inside what is there? Minus 5. Sorry, minus 3 minus 5. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of A part. A part is minus 6 minus of minus 3. Okay, children. So you see here two type of brackets. First bracket is close bracket and another bracket is curly bracket. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of curly bracket inside. Okay, children, so curly bracket inside what is there? Minus 6 minus of minus 3. Okay, so now let us find minus 6 minus of minus 3. How much your value? Minus 6 minus of minus 3. Here subtraction, that operation is going subtraction. Okay, so here while subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Okay, so that's why minus 6 minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. Okay, so the additive inverse of minus 3 is 3. Okay, children, minus 5. So now you find minus 6 plus 3. How much your answer? Minus 6 plus 3? Minus 3. Yes, children, here one is positive, one is negative. So find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, so minus 6 plus 3 is equal to your answer is minus 3 minus 5. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you see again subtraction operation. So while subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Okay, so minus 3 minus sign into plus, that time put the additive inverse. Okay, children, so additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. So your answer is minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 8. How? You see here same sign. If the integer having same sign, we add the absolute value and put the same sign. Okay, children, so that's why 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 minus sign. So your answer is minus 8. Okay, now we have to find the value of B part. What is there inside the B part? Minus 6 minus of 3 minus 5. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of this inside the bracket. Okay, children, so minus 6 minus 3 minus 5. So here subtraction. Yes, children, so minus 3 minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse, so minus 5. So minus 6 minus 3 minus 5. How much your answer? Minus 8. Okay, minus 3 or minus 5 add panna namalukku enna varum? Minus 8. Now see here again subtraction, so add the additive inverse of this integer. Okay, so minus 6 minus sign into plus, so that's why you put the additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. Now your answer is minus 6 plus 8 is equal to your answer is 2. Yes, children, you see here this A part answer is minus 8, B part answer is 2. These two answers are different. Okay, so therefore A part and B part are not equal. Okay, so minus 6 minus of minus 3 minus 5 is not equal to B part, okay? Okay. Now write it in the classwork note, children. Do it. Calculation only, it's so difficult, okay? So do carefully. Add பண்ணும் போதும் சரி, sub பண்ணும் போதும் சரி, ரொம்ப careful-ஆ add பண்ணணும், sub பண்ணணும், சரியா? Integersல நீ ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு minus sign miss பண்ணா கூட total sum wrong ஆயிரும். Okay children? So do it carefully, okay? Have you finished? Yes, children? Now you come to the next question. Okay? In fourth question, A part is 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3, and B part is 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. Okay children, clear? Yes? Now all of you listen carefully. Okay, here questions are given in rational numbers. Yes children? Yes? Yes. Now you see that first part, A part, we have to find the value of A part first. Okay, so 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. Okay children? Yes. Now we have to find the value of 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6. Yes children? Why? These two numbers only inside the bracket. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of inside the bracket. Yes children, that is BODMAS rule. Okay, bracket first. Okay, yes. Now you see that number 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6. Here operation is addition, but you see the denominator are different. Yes children, in addition denominator are same means that is easy. Yes children, how? We add only the numerators. Yes or no? Yes, but here the denominator are different, so we have to convert into like fraction. Yes children, like fraction means same denominators. Yes, so that's mean we have to use find out the equivalent fractions. Yes or no? Yes. So we have to use here LCM method. Okay, because you see here denominator being is a big number. Yes children, but two methods are there. One is cross multiplication method and another is LCM method. Okay, nalla gavanichiko unoda rational number gavani 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6. Okay, here denominator are different. So denominator different இருந்தா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், ஒன்ல அந்த டினாமினேட்டரை சேமாக கொண்டு வரணும். அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம்? LCM மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இல்லைன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், பட் ஹியர் யூ see the denominator, so big number, yes or no? Here 12, here 6. ஸோ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது உனக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? பிக் நம்பராக வரும். ஸோ நம்ம அப்போ அதை என்ன செய்கிறதுக்காண்டி LCM மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். சரியா? கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் ஆன்சர் சேமாக தான் வரும், LCM மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் ஆன்சர் சேமாக தான் வரும். சரியா? பட் here that is denominator have big number, so that's why use it that is our LCM method. Okay children, so first of all we find the value of 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6. Okay, so LCM of 12 and 6. Okay, you take LCM of 12 and 6. How much? LCM of 12 and 6, how much? So 12க்கும் 6க்கும் LCM கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். 2 table. Okay, 6 3 table 1 again 2 table. So your answer is LCM is 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So your LCM is 12. Okay, so now என்ன செய்யணும்? உன்னோட டினாமினேட்டர் 12க்கு கொண்டு வரணும். சரியா? LCM கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, இனி டினாமினேட்டர் 12க்கு வரணும். ஸோ ஹியர் ஆல்ரெடி ஒன் ரேஷனல் நம்பர் have denominator 12 only. Okay, so that's why you leave it. Now you come to the next rational number, that is 9 upon 6. Okay, so 9 upon 6. So now we want denominator is 12, so that's why we multiply by 2 by numerator and denominator. Okay children, so that's why 6 2s are 12. Now numerator 9 2s are 18. So 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6, what is the answer? 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6, answer is 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 is equivalent to 18 upon 12. Okay, so that's where your answer is. The denominator are same, so that's why we add the numerator. So 6 plus 18 is equal to 24 upon 12. Yes children, so now 24 upon 12, 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24. So your answer is 2 upon 1. Yes children, so 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 value is 2 upon 1. Okay, so 2 upon 1 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, clear? புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்ம பிராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறதோட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். இங்கே ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸில் அடிஷனில் இருக்குது. சரியா? ஸோ அப்போ என்ன செய்வோம்? டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணுவோம். டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக இல்லைன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? LCM மெத்தட், அப்படி இல்லைன்னா கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தடில் கொண்டு போகணும். நாங்கள் என்ன மெத்தட் செஞ்சுருக்கேன்? LCM மெத்தடில் கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன். சரியா? ஸோ அப்போ LCM மெத்தடில் உனக்கு டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக வரணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை வி ஃபைண்ட் த LCM. Okay children, so you take the LCM. The LCM is 12, so now you convert into denominator 12. Yes children, okay, clear? Now you convert denominator as 12. Okay, so that's why 6 upon 12 already in denominator 12 only, so leave it. Now you come to the next rational number, that is 9 upon 6. Now you convert into denominator as 12. Okay children, so that's why we multiply by 2 by numerator and denominator. Okay children, clear? So that's why 9 upon 6 is equivalent to 18 upon 12. Now you add, your question is 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6. So 6 upon 12 already same rational number, but 9 upon 6 is equivalent to 18 upon 12. Now you add, why? Denominator are same, so we add only the numerator. Okay, so 6 plus 18 is equal to 24 upon 12. So 1 12 is 12 and 2 12s are 24. So your answer is, numerator have 2, denominator have 1. So that's why your answer is 2 upon 1. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now the remaining plus 2 upon 3 is done. Now you see again, denominator are different. Yes children? Yes or no? Yes. But here denominator have small number, that is cross multiplication method is so easy. Okay, so நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்க, ஒரு சின்ன ட்ரிக் தான். டினாமினேட்டர் வந்து பிக் நம்பராக இருந்துச்சுன்னா LCM மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணு. அதே இது டினாமினேட்டர் ரொம்ப சின்ன நம்பராக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? cross multiplication method use பண்ணணும் ஏன்னா அது ஈஸியா இருக்கும் okay so now you do cross multiplication method 2 3s are 6 1 2 is 2 so that's why 6 plus 2 divided by that means upon 1 3 is 3 so your answer is 8 upon 3 okay children clear yes now what is the value of a 8 upon 3 okay clear yes now all of you take your classwork note and note it down only a part only done so first of all you write this okay afterwards we will do b part okay children do it this is only a part answer only children b part we will do afterwards okay first of all you write this write this fast have finished now we have to find the value of b part okay what is that b part your b part is 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 okay now you find the value of 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 okay children now here also first of all we have to find the value of inside the bracket okay inside what is there 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 okay here also denominator are different so we have to use LCM method okay children okay yes so find the value of 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 okay so here denominator are 6 and 3 so find the LCM of 6 and 3 3 table 2 3s are 6 1 again 2 table 1 okay so your LCM is 3 2s are 6 okay children now you see here 9 upon 6 in already denominator have 6 only okay so leave it now you take the next rational number that is 2 upon 3 so 2 upon 3 now we want denominator as 12 okay sorry 6 so you multiply 2 by numerator and denominator okay children so that's why denominator as 6 3 2s are 6 now you multiply the numerators that means 2 into 2 is equal to 4 so 2 upon 3 is equivalent to 4 upon 6 okay now we find the value of 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 so 9 upon 6 plus 4 upon 6 why 2 upon 3 is equivalent to 4 upon 6 okay now the denominator are same so we add only the numerator so that's why 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 upon 6 okay children so now you apply the value of 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 okay so already here 6 upon 12 plus the value of 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 13 upon 6 okay clear yes now you take LCM okay the LCM of 12 and 6 is how much say 12 only yes the LCM of 12 and 6 2 table so again 3 table okay so it is divided by 3 so 1 again 2 table so your LCM is 2 3s are 6 6 2s are 12 already here 12 is there so leave it now the next rational number 13 upon 6 So 13 upon 6, we want denominator as 12. Yes, children? So you multiply 2 upon, that is 2 by 2. Okay. So that's why the denominator is 12. Now then multiply the numerator. That means 13 into 2 is equal to 26. Okay. So the value of 6 upon 12 plus 13 upon 6. It can be written as 26 upon 12. Yes, children? How? It is the equivalent fraction of 13 upon 6 is 26 upon 12. Okay. Now the denominator are same. So that's why we add only the numerators. That means 6 plus 26 upon 12. Okay, children? 6 plus 26, your answer is 32 upon 12. Now it is divided by 4. Yes, children? So 8 3s are 32, 3 4s are 12. So your answer is 8 upon 3. Okay. A part answer is 8 upon 3 and B part answer is 8 upon 3. So these are equal. Therefore A part and B part are equal. Okay. So 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon 12 plus 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Now write it. B part answer. Already A part answer is done. Yes. Now you find the value of B part. Okay. Do it. These all is a rough work only, children. Okay. You find the value of inside the bracket. Okay. So do it carefully. Okay. இதில் இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே ரஃப் ஒர்க் தான். நம்ம இதோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது தான் அங்கே கண்டுபிடிச்சி இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கோம். அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே. எஸ். ஓகே, ரைட் இட். This 9 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 value. Okay. This value is here. And these both answer, we have to find these both answer rough work here. Okay. Do you understand? Bracketல இருக்கிறத கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது 13 upon 6 rough work எந்த சைடு இருக்கு? ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு இருக்கு பாரு. ஓகே. Okay, children, have you finished? A part already done. The answer is 8 upon 3. This is B part. Okay. So B part also answer is 8 upon 3 only. So that's why A part and B part are equal. Okay, clear? Now the next question, fifth one. A part is minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6. And B part is minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6. First of all, we have to find the value of A part answer. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. A part, what is there inside? minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3. Okay, minus 5 upon 6 is equal to, you see here the denominators are small numbers only. Okay, so that's why you do cross multiplication method. Okay children, so we have to use cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication, then before here subtraction symbol is there. Yes children, so that's why we add the additive inverse. Okay, in subtraction, while subtracting an integer from another integer, so that is integer, here rational number. So same only, while subtracting an rational number to another rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational numbers to be subtracted. Okay children, so minus 1 upon 2 minus sign into plus, that time we put the additive inverse. Okay, so additive inverse of 2 upon 3 is minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6. Okay children, clear? Minus sign இருக்கு, நம்ம அதை ஆடா மாற்ற போகிறோம் சரியா? ஸோ அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும், இதோட additive inverse போடணும். So minus 1 upon 2 plus the additive inverse of 2 upon 3 is minus 2 upon 3. Okay children, clear? Now you do the cross multiplication. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 upon 2 3s are 6. Okay, clear? This is one value. Okay, minus 5 upon 6. Now minus 3 minus 4, how much? Minus 7. Okay, so that's why your answer is minus 7 upon 6 minus 5 upon 6. Okay children, you see here also subtraction operation, so convert into plus, that time you put the additive inverse, that's why minus 5 upon 6. Okay, now you see here denominator are same, so it is so easy. Yes children, so we add only the numerator. So here numerator have minus 7 and minus 5, so we add now minus 7 plus minus 5 is equal to denominator 6. So your answer is minus 12 upon 6. Okay, here numerator and denominator have common factors are there. Yes, it is surely divided by 6, so that's why 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so your answer is minus 2 upon 1, that means minus 2 only. Okay children, clear? Yes, now you come to the B part. What is given B part? Minus 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 6. Okay, so minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3, here minus sign is there, so you convert into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. Okay, so 5 upon 6 additive inverse is minus 5 upon 6. Okay children, so minus 1 upon 2 minus the value of, here you see that denominator are different, so you do the cross multiplication method. Okay, so cross multiplication method, 2 6 are 12 plus 3 into minus 5 minus 15 upon 6 3s are 18. Okay, so minus 1 upon 2 minus 12 minus 15 minus 3 upon 18. Here minus 1 upon 2 minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. Okay, so that's why 3 upon 18. So again cross multiplication method. Okay, so cross multiplication method, why? The denominator are different, so now minus 1 into 18 minus 18 plus 6 upon 2 18s are 36. Okay children, so minus 18 plus 4 minus 4 upon 36. Okay, minus 4 upon 36, so your answer is 1 4 is 4. Say, sorry, minus 18 plus 6 is equal to minus 12. Okay children, minus 12 upon 36, so 1 12 is 12, 3 12s are 36. Okay, so your answer is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, clear? Clear children? So A part answer is minus 2 upon 1, B part answer is 1 upon 3. Okay, so it is both are not equal. Yes or no? Correct தானே? இது a ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன நமக்கு -2 upon 1, b ஓட வேல்யூ -1 upon 3. Here both answers are unequal. Okay, so therefore a part is not equal to b part. Okay, are you clear? Yes. So write it in the classwork note. Answers also you write. Okay, the last word, therefore. Write it in the classwork note, children. லாஸ்ட்ல ஆன்சர் எடுத்து எழுதிக்கோ சரியா. ஸோ therefore a part and b part are not equal. Okay children, you put the unequal sign. Okay, clear? Yes. Have you finished? Okay children, now the homework, you take your book, page number 23. Your homework is page number 23, question number 5, second one. Children, all of you take your book, page number 23. In exercise 1.4, question number 5. Children, all of you take your book, page number 23, question number 5. In question number 5, you note the homework question. In question number 5, second and fourth one. Okay. Children, now all of you take your book, okay? Page number 23. In page number 23, exercise 1.4, question number 5. Okay? In question number 5, second one and fourth one. These two sums are homework in your note, okay? Next, you see the sixth question. Question number 6. In question number 6, second one and fourth one. These two questions also homework. Do in your homework note. Okay? Are you clear? Yes? This is our very easy questions only. Already we have seen in commutative property sums. Yes children? So it is so easy. Do yourself. Okay? Are you clear? Yes? We will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.